Africa Content TV.
I was crying, I had no shoes. I was crying, I had no shoes. Not until I saw some without legs. Not until I saw some without legs. I was crying, I had no shoes. Baba wa ra ni to la la mo se ohun to mo ba n fẹ́. Ẹni kò ní ẹ̀kọ́ ra kò dẹ̀ ṣe rí lọ ní ẹjọ́. Ara ẹni tí wọ́n sẹ́ńtẹ́ǹsì kọ́dájọ́ kú fún. Saheed Ìbára ní tó la la mo se ohun to mo ba n fẹ́. Ẹni kò lọ sọ́ọ̀sì lọ fojú ló ń jẹ́. Ara ẹni tó ti gé lẹ́sẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti gé lápá. Saheed Ìbára ní tó la la mo se ohun to mo ba n fẹ́. Ẹni kú làwọn ètò àrílọ fojú ló ń jẹ́. Ara ẹni tó jù lọ, ẹni tí ò tó, ara ẹni tó ló wà àtẹni tí ò ní. Tó bá rí wọn bá tún dúpẹ́ ọ, a lè pé tòun sì sọ wájú lókè bàbá ẹ̀dẹ́ olówó bá ẹ̀dẹ́ ni. Ìgbìmọ̀ kọ́kọ́rọ́ alátẹ, òun tàtẹ́ ni, olówó alátẹ, òun tàtẹ́ ni, tẹ̀tẹ̀ òkú, àbọ̀dé márùn-ún sáláyé. We have a full generation of you, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we have the legendary Saheed Osupa in the building. Let's go.
Kogbadigi recording studios. It's such a privilege to be here today. I know how hardworking Kogbadigi is and how he has always dreamed of having somewhere like this. I know this is a big platform to a lot of people, a lot of upcoming artists that are trying to become big but can't afford a proper studio section. I know Kogbadigi is a man of the people and he has lots of love in his heart. And I know the main reason of doing this thing is to give people chances and opportunity. So I just got in and then the facilities are 100%, quite nice, cozy. As I'll be recording my next single here as well, I'll be mixing my next album here as well. So if you know somebody, tell somebody to tell somebody that there's a recording studio, live band, the House Studio here in the heart of Lekki by the #1 promoter himself, Kogbadigi. God bless you for coming outside.
Okay, if I know in Grammy, I go still in Grammy. Repete, to my poor vitamin C, my two damn C, all for me. Oh. My G, ṣolówó tó lè spend on your own. My G, ọmọdé ọ̀hún.